So learning intention is to learn how to factorize by grouping two terms first. Success criteria, you can group two terms with each other. You can factorize the pairs, and then you can factorize by grouping the common factors. Alright, when we do factorize by grouping, there's 3 steps. Split the term into pairs. So sometimes you'll have a question like this. All you have to do is split it in the middle, and you have 2 pairs. So you have your left-hand side pair and your right-hand side pair. So this is one pair, and this is your second pair. Step 2, you factorize each one. So you're going to factorize this one, and then you're going to factorize this one. Last step, they'll have a common factor in both of it, and then you'll have to factorize it by grouping. We'll go through an example. So the first one, step 1, split it into half. So in step 1, you just split your expression in half. So find the middle, draw a line in the middle. This will be your pair, and this can be your second pair. Step 2, factorize the pairs. Okay, we'll factorize the left-hand side. Highest common factor would be x. So first step, find your highest common factor. 2-step, divide both by the highest common factor. So x squared divided by x, 4x divided by x. Find out your answer. Cross out one of the x's on top, cross out the x on bottom, you get x. There's one x on top, one x on the bottom, so you get left with 4. Step 3, you write your highest common factor on the outside, which is x. Put a bracket, and then your answer from step 2 into the bracket. You'll follow the same steps for the second pair. Highest common factor is 2. Divide both by 2. 2 divided by 2, you get left with x. 8 divided by 2, you get 4. If your highest common factor is positive number, or just 2, you put plus 2 out the front, and then you put x plus 4 in the bracket. So then your question up here becomes this one down here. Alright, and then you have step 3. Factorize the common factors. Basically, step 3 is which one's the same. So when we split up the pairs, which one's the same? You have x plus 4 here and x plus 4 here. We'll put them together and you get x plus 4. The second part is what's left over. So what's left over is you have an x here. Let's put it in brackets, and then you have a plus 2 here. And then this will be your answer. So this is your factorized form. Okay, we'll do one more example. Step 1, split into 2 groups. So put a line down the middle. Step 2, factorize the pairs. So you find your highest common factor in both. The highest common factor is x. Divide both by x. X squared, cancel 1 out from the top. Cross out the bottom one, you get x. 1 x on top, 1 x on bottom, cancel them both out. You get x equals to 2. Part 3, put your highest common factor outside. In brackets will be your answer from the second part. Same steps. Your highest common factor for the second pair is minus 3. Minus 3x divided by minus 3. Minus 6 divided by minus 3. Minus 3 divided by minus 3. Cross them out. you get x. Minus 6 divided by minus 3. There's two negatives, so you have to make it a plus. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then your last step, put your highest common factor out the front. And then put x plus 2 inside the brackets. So that becomes your new equation, your new expression. And then step 3, factorize the common. Right. What's the same in both of them? X plus 2 and x plus 2. So you always want to have one of the same things over here. So you're going to rewrite it, x plus 2. And then you're going to use the leftovers to make your other one. X left out the front here, and then minus 3 left out the front of the other one. And that is your answer. Alright, example 3. Sometimes when you split up the expression into pairs, say like this one, if you split them up and then you factorize the pairs, there's no highest common factor for this side, so the pairs are wrong. So you have to rearrange the expression before you factorize. So right now it's 2x squared minus 15 minus 10x plus 3x. Instead, we'll move things around. So we'll have 2x squared and then minus 10x. Then we'll do plus 3x and then minus 15. So what we've done is we moved 15 to the end, and then we moved the spot up 1 to the left. So minus 10's moved to the left 1. Alright, step 1, split into half. Split a line in the middle. And then step 2 is the pairs. So what's the highest common factor here? Is 2x. Let's divide both by 2x. Two and 2 cancels out. Take out one of the x from top. Equals to x. X is cancelled out. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then the last step, put the highest common factor outside. X minus 5, the brackets inside. Same thing, highest common factor is 3. 3x divided by 3, 15 divided by 3. 3's cancel, you get x. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Keep your highest common factor out the front, and then x minus 5. Step 3, group them up. So what's the same again? X minus 5 is the same. So you put them as 1. And then you use the leftovers again to make your second one. Thanks for watching.